sits in your header. And you can filter the headers with the header menu. Just click header menu and then click search. Okay, so if you want a header navigation, this will now show all the headers with that navigation. Now I can select here header 2, and you can see I've got a very simple header with just a logo and the header navigation. Okay, but if I hit customize, I can go and tailor that. I could decide even to hide or show that. So I'll click hide, and you can see now I've got header 2, which is hiding the header navigation. Okay, I can click back, click show, and now even put it into the center, and now that will show my header navigation and in the center. Okay, I click back, I could also put it on the right, click save, and now it's going to show my header navigation over to the right. Pretty simple stuff.